special lyrics, singers, something which you can tell us about the music?
See about music, actually there will be something what I can say, because I have tried and tested a lot music in my albums, more than 100 albums you all know. So here what I tried, just to keep in mind that Daniel is there, and since he is a rock band player, he is a good guitarist, so we are jamming it up for music. We are gonna make a song where he'll be live playing guitar. So, and one more thing, actually, the melody is the main, you can say the melody is the main hook line or theme of the music. So, we are not missing that. We are just keeping that thing in our mind that we are making the music for the market. And it's gonna be sure shot. I should say it's gonna be sure shot. One of the kind of music what people expect from me.
That has always been there. All those songs have been there. So any one favorite song which Dinesh said, no, this is something which I, want Daniel to be.
Actually, we started when we were jamming it up with Dinesh ji. So I threw the idea of a romantic tune. So he told me, yeah, I liked it. And very soon you will be listening that track. It's a melodious track.
Yeah, right now we are not revealing, but soon definitely we're gonna do it.
Promos will be there, yeah, of course, and it will be a just experimenting with sounds as well, especially with the song where Daniel will be playing the guitar. We are jamming it up with some bit of rock and roll with the club sounds. So it will be a new thing. I think since last 10 years it's not being tried. So it will be a new thing. Let's see.
It will be something experiment.
Daniel, coming to you, any tips from Sunny about acting, or she's far more experienced in terms of acting? Or
She's been messaging me all day. I send her clips, I send her playback clips, and she says, okay, watch your face, watch this, make this expression. Maybe you shouldn't make this expression, this looks a little strange. And I'm like, oh my God, this is a lot of information in one time.
She is so much concerned, even when
She's
we were
very
taking a
concerned,
first shot,
but
she just called up, how are you looking? So I said, yeah, she obviously is great.
Yeah, she's so sad that she can't be here today. She's on Couple Sharma today, and she is just like,
we're expecting her.
yeah, she's on Couple, so she's busy, of course, doing promo for
As
Leela.
her film's release, she is a bit committed.
So but yeah, she has 100 things to say every 10 minutes about my expressions.
So you're taking those tips seriously?
I do, of course. Listen, she.
So anything specific that she really, something which you've really taken in from her that no, this is what I really need to work on, or
Yeah, but also he said the same thing, and she said at the same time, loosen up. You're so stiff on camera. Loosen up. I'm like, I'm dancing for 3 days only in my whole life. Loosen up.
No, but in this 3 days also, or whatever the less hours, still he's doing great. I was not expecting this much of fast he can, gain. He can cover up the things.
Thank God for good editing.
But it's still going so well, and we are shooting so well. So
the poster looks very interesting. We've not seen something else. Tell us something about the creatives which you have in mind, because we heard it's going to be something very different.
Actually, as I told you, like obviously the film is a romantic thriller and horror, and many people has tried this genre by showing much of violence, by showing something very much which is not okay for audiences. This genre also we played that kind of things which audience will love to watch it, and even without obviously it's a horror, they will be having a sweet fear, not the crucial fear, not the violence fear or something. And that definitely is the experiment. Once we will open up with the creatives in the coming weeks and coming months, definitely it's gonna be there.
Saru, any special input Dinesh is given for this particular role that
Yeah, lots of them. There are too many. I think I'm really figuring out, because he wants it to stand out, my role to stand out, and he keeps saying I can visualize what I want. So now I think I'm already there with my look.
Yeah, I got the looks what I visioned, even for Daniel, for Saru.
Yeah, he wanted something different from
You
me.
can share the first looks stuff. Swing.
Yeah, yes, I must tell you, this shoot, you can't imagine what all, if you all were there, you would have been shocked. What all I was made to do for this, you can't imagine. I was hanging on a swing, upside
We
down.
just made her hanging. I
And
was,
just this
come
much
on,
of
Saru.
support on my back, and I was to do this and all. It was quite an experience.
I said we can do something adventure,
So I'm quite prepared. I think next time for my shoot, I'm going to carry knee pads and everything.
And again in a film we're going to do with Daniel as well. We're going to hang him around with trees
So
and
we both
something.
have to be prepared, Daniel.
Exactly.
I'll be prepared.
But it's going to be a nice journey, and obviously the film definitely will excite anyone who's just going to watch, and will definitely make a benchmark, and Touchwood is going to be history. It's going to create himself a name that no one can forget.
Daniel, very cliche question. I want to know the first day of the shoot, how did it go? I mean, how are you feeling?
I
What
was
have you learned to